A doctor, I go prescribe something for you with your stinking problem. That's the only problem we're going to address right now. Your stinking self. So I go give you this. Louisa Smith.
Yeah.
That right?
That's right, yeah.
Alright, so what seems to be the problem?
I have a really bad chest infection. I keep coughing every night, and
That
it
seems
really
to be
does
very
hurt.
common these days, you know.
Oh, does it?
Alright, if you
Oh.
just lift up your top so we can listen
Okay,
to
yeah,
your
sure.
chest. Alright.
Sorry. So sorry.
Man, put on your hand them. Put them down.
Hurts. What's going on?
Why for your underarm them smell so?
Excuse me?
Them smell green. Them not even smell
Green?
green. Them expired. Them smell yellow.
What are you on about?
No, man. You don't know about no soap and water. Even if you're not in a bar soap, you're not in a washing up liquid, you can just rub under there.
Excuse
Yeah?
what are you going on
You don't know about no deodorant, even little air freshener for breathe. Breezy out.
I mean, I've come here with a chest
That
infection,
no, right,
and
man.
you're telling me I smell? Really?
You don't only have chest infection, you have underarm infection, greenitis.
Excuse me, I think you're being very rude right now. Okay, I've come with a chest
rude?
infection. Yes, and you're telling me I smell?
No, you rude. You come in, you smell like one onion.
Excuse
right?
me?
You bring a bad smell upon me. Me have other patient fissy. Imagine, them I go come in
You
here
are
and
being
think
very
that me.
disrespectful
Now that
right
way
now.
you call rude, no manners, nasty.
No, I
Listen,
think you're
listen,
being
listen,
very
listen.
disrespectful.
You know see what your sign say outside? You know see what you say? You can only talk about one problem with your doctor. And right now, as a doctor, I go prescribe something for you with your stinking problem. That's
But
the
I need
only
something
problem
for my
we're going
chest
to address right
infection.
now. Your stinking self. So I go give you this. I want you to use it every day, use it every minute, crack it back up, dash it on yourself, spray. Listen, so I use it now, man. Sure, take it and come out. And then when you come back, we talk about the next problem.